Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about University of Hyderabad PhD admission for 2023-24 session. First, talking about University of Hyderabad. University of Hyderabad, a premier institution of postgraduate teaching and research in the country, was established by Act of Parliament on 2nd October 1974 as a central university. University does not have any study center or branch or campus or affiliated college elsewhere. Now talking about University of Hyderabad. Available PhD programs and seats. PhD Mathematics 4 seats, Applied Mathematics 1, Computer Science 15, Physics 20, Electronic Science and Engineering 5, Earth, Ocean and Atmospheric Sciences 9, PhD Chemistry 24 seats, Biochemistry 13, Plant Sciences 9, Animal Biology 5, Biotechnology 6, System and Computational Biology 2, PhD English 7, Philosophy 7, Hindi 12, Telugu 12, Urdu 5, Applied Linguistics 3, PhD Translation Studies 1 seat, Comparative Literature 4, Sanskrit Studies 2, History 9, Political Science 12, Sociology 16, Anthropology 3, Education 7, Regional Studies 3, Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy 8, Indian Diaspora 2, Gender Studies 2, Economics 21, Dance 2, Art, History and Visual Studies 1, Communication 4, Management Studies 15, Health Sciences, Public Health 2, Psychology 1, Cognitive Sciences 5, Material Engineering 7, Nanoscience and Technology 1. Now talking about eligibility criteria for PhD programs. Master's degree or equivalent professional degree with at least 55% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade B in the UGC 7-point scale, a relaxation of 5% from 55 to 50% or equivalent relaxation of grade may be allowed SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer or differently able category and other categories of candidates as decided by the Commission from time to time. For subject-wise requirement, refer to information brochure. Now talking about admission process. Admission to all the PhD program at University of Hyderabad will be done based on performance in the written test and interview. The cutoff for general or EWS candidates shall be 50% and for SC, ST, OBC, NCL or differently able categories will be 45% marks in the entrance exam. The entrance exam marks of PhD shall be used for shortlisting candidates to be called for interview. The interview will be conducted for 30 marks. The basis of final shortlisting of candidates for admission will be based on their performance in the entrance examination, giving 70% weightage for the written test and 30% weightage for the interview or viva. Now talking about entrance exemption. List of PhD courses having exemption from entrance examination and the weightage in the lieu of written test. For mathematics and applied mathematics, for exemption, JRF required UGC JRF or CSIR JRF and BHM and weightage will be 50. For computer science, UGC JRF or CSIR JRF, weightage will be 40. For physics, UGC or CSIR JRF, weightage 40. Electronic science and engineering, UGC JRF or CSIR JRF, weightage 40. Chemistry, UGC or CSIR JRF, weightage will be 52.5 and for biochemistry, CSIR or UGC, DBT or ICMR JRF, weightage will be 40. For plant sciences, CSIR or UGC, DBT, ICMR JRF, weightage 40 and for microbiology, animal biology and biotechnology, CSIR JRF, UGC JRF, DBT or ICMR JRF and weightage will be 40. For System and Computational Biology, CSIR JRF, UGC JRF, DBT or ICMR, weightage will be 40. For Public Health, UGC JRF in Social Medicine and Community Health, weightage will be 35. Cognitive Science, JRF in UGC or CSIR or ICMR or DBT, weightage will be 35. Now talking about University of Hyderabad PhD entrance examination dates. Exam will be conducted on 17th and 18th June 2023. Now talking about exam centers. Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar, New Delhi, Guwahati, Jaipur, Kochi, Kolkata, Kozhikode, Calicut, Lucknow, Patna, Varanasi, Vijayawada. Now talking about application process. Candidates have to apply online through official website of University of Hyderabad. A candidate is free to apply for admission to as many courses as he or she wants after ensuring that there is no clash of entrance examination dates between them. Now talking about application fee. For General 600, EWS 550, OBC 400, SC, ST, PWD 275 rupees. Now talking about schedule. Notification release 27th April. Starting of online submission of application 1st May 2023. Last date for submitting online application is 25th May 2023. Admit card will be available from 10th June 2023 onwards. Entrance date is 17th and 18th June and list for shortlisted candidates for interview will be available on 10 July and interview schedule is 15 to 19 July. and results will be declared on 31st July 2023.